Hey guys, it's Joe at Jordanbikes. Look at this, lovely Suzuki GSXR750. Cracking bike these, real popular, people love them. It is an 07 57 plate bike, it is the K7 model. Real popular, really nice. It has only done 15,160 miles. Some nice little extras on there. It's got the Remus end can, the seat cowl, tail tidy, and it's got these Akrapovic carbon fibre infill panels. Lovely little exhaust on there. It's not too loud, just sounds nice. As I said, 15,160 miles. Give it a quick fire up for you. I say it's not too loud. It's also going to come with 2 brand new tyres, new chain and sprockets, and freshly serviced. What are you waiting for, guys? Get yourself down to Jordanbikes or give us a call. Thank you.